Welcome to Cooking for Lucky 7. Like and subscribe. It's a beautiful day, so I decided to go for a hike. Now I'm getting a little hungry, so I'm going to stop and make something to eat. Make sure you take the oxygen absorber out of the freeze-dried meal before you start hydrating the pouch with the water. First, I'm going to be starting my backpacking stove. I'm going to light it with the Bic lighter, and then I'm going to turn it up all the way so I can boil the water for our freeze-dried meal. Here I've got our water ready to get boiling for our freeze-dried meal. I'm just using 1.5 cups of water according to the back of the package. Now I've put our water on the stove to get it boiling. We can get it up to temperature. Would you look at that? I think our water is a rolling boil. Check it out. It's time to take it off and start rehydrating our meal. This is a biscuit and gravy freeze-dried mountain house. I'm going to just start by pouring the water into the bag. The bag is made so it can take the heat. Now I'm just going to stir it up good just to get the water and the mixture evenly. Now I'm trying to seal it up one-handed. Seal it up and then we'll wait 5 minutes for it to heat throughout the meal, and then we'll open it again to stir it. Now I'm just waiting the 5 minutes to wait for our meal so I can stir it again. Here I've opened it back up. I'm going to give it a good stir, and then I'm going to have to seal it back up and wait 4 more minutes for it to rehydrate the rest of the process. Now we wait 4 minutes. I'm going to give it a good stir and it should be done. It's going to be a little runny because of the gravy, but that's okay. There you have it, how to make a freeze-dried meal hiking in the woods. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.